Hi guys, and welcome back to yet another beautiful tutorial video. So quickly guys, today as you can see on your screen, I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve your bias using your piece of fabric. In that case, whatever your normal bias can do for you, this particular one can also do. In the case where you want to use your fabric in the form of a bias to make designs on your dress, say like a basket look on your dress or whatever, instead of using like a regular bias, this is how you can achieve the bias form of your fabric. So in case you're interested in this particular one, please sit right back, relax, enjoy watching. Meanwhile, do not forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. So without further ado guys, let's dive right into the tutorial. And basically, this is what we're trying to achieve using a normal fabric instead of a bias. You know, ordinarily, this is what your bias looks like. So we want to kind of replicate or imitate a bias using our piece of fabric. So on a regular, you know, you're supposed to, with your free hand, you know, get your fabric, cut it, and then start folding the two sides together, just as you can see me do. But instead of doing this, I'm going to show us that one of the easiest ways, you know, to achieve your bias using your piece of fabric, instead of going through the hassle of using your free hand. You know, when as you're folding the other side is unraveling and all that. You don't need to do that. So first of all, to get that started, you need your office pin. You can see the normal office pin you use, and then you measure out the width you want for your bias. For this, I want just a half yard, and this is the distance between a half yard for what I'm going to use. So I'm going to be pinning, holding both sides or both points that I marked out, that both points of the half yard. So I have it held down with the help of the pin, and then I get my piece of fabric like so. I fold one edge and I fold the other one over, as you can see. So this is just the only part I'm going to be, you know, trying to fold with my hands. And then I pass it through or under the pin that I have like so. You just press it through and then pull it out a little bit like so. So once you have a piece on the other side, you just get your your pressing iron, and then you iron through. So as you pull, you iron, as you pull, you iron, and this makes it easier. So you are not using your hand to do the folding on both sides anymore. As you pull, the office pin itself is the one doing the folding on both sides of the fabric, you know, henceforth. So this is what you do until you get to the other end, and guys, you are done with your fabric or your bias formation using your piece of fabric. So this is how you go about, you know, getting your bias fabric or making of your bias using your piece of fabric. If you do not want to use a bias, or if you want to use your fabric in place of a regular bias. So guys, I hope you find this very helpful. As you can see, there is nothing different from a normal bias. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye.